Audi RS Q8 and RS Q8 Performance. Audi Sport's most powerful SUV. Audi is expanding its Q8 lineup with the introduction of the new RS Q8, delivering 4-for-1 BMW X6 HP, and debuting a second high-performance version, the RS Q8 Performance, which boasts 471 kW 640 HP. This makes it the most powerful production combustion engine SUV ever built by Audi Sport GmbH. Both models combine extreme performance with everyday usability. Thanks to an optimized self-locking center differential, the exterior design follows the updated Q8 styling, and new customization options are now available. The launch is scheduled for June 2024, with starting prices of €141,900 for the RS Q8 and €155,700 for the RS Q8 Performance. Exterior design. True Audi Sport identity. Audi Sport GmbH emphasizes the dynamic character of these high-performance SUVs with a bold new design. A redesigned front bumper with large air intakes, a distinctive honeycomb grille, and a gloss black front blade matte gray on the performance version immediately signal their performance pedigree. The single-frame grille now features 3D honeycomb elements. At the rear, the classic oval exhaust outlets and a rear diffuser with a central reflector reinforce the sporty appearance. V8 powertrains in two performance levels. The RS Q8 delivers 600 horsepower, 441 kilowatts, and 800 Newton-meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.8 seconds. With a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, extendable up to 305 kilometers per hour with the optional Dynamic Plus package. The RS Q8 Performance takes it a step further, with 640 horsepower, 471 kilowatts, and 850 Newton-meters of torque, hitting 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds. It also features a newly developed, lighter exhaust system that enhances performance and delivers a more emotional, sporty sound. An optional RS Sport exhaust with gloss black tailpipes further elevates the acoustic and visual experience. According to Ralph Mitchell, CEO of Audi Sport GmbH, the RS Q8 Performance and RS Q8 combine performance, elegance, and everyday practicality. They reflect a passion for power and premium driving experiences. Quattro all-wheel drive with Tiptronic transmission. Both models come standard with permanent Quattro all-wheel drive paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission. The new mechanical center differential distributes torque 40 to 60 front to rear under normal driving conditions and can shift up to 70% to the front or 85% to the rear when needed, enhancing traction and cornering precision. Adaptive air suspension. The balance of comfort and performance. Standard on both versions is adaptive air suspension with specially tuned RS damping. The ride height can vary by up to 90 millimeters for optimal ground clearance. An optional electromechanical active roll stabilization, EAWS, minimizes body roll during cornering and improves comfort on rough roads. Powered by a 48 volts lithium-ion battery. The system provides up to 1.5 kilowatts per axle through electric motors connected to the anti-roll bars. The optional Dynamic Plus package includes EAWS, a Quattro Sport differential, and RS ceramic brakes standard on the RS Q8 Performance. Also included is all-wheel steering, which improves agility during high-speed lane changes and reduces the turning circle at low speed. Advanced lighting technology. Like the updated Q8, the RS Q8 now features Matrix LED headlights, with optional HD Matrix LED units paired with Audi laser light for an extended high beam range. 5 digital daytime running light signatures are available, including a unique checkered flag design exclusive to the RS Q8. The new old taillights offer digital lighting signatures and integrate a proximity warning feature when paired with driver assistance systems. Tailored interior and finishes. New metallic paint finishes include Sakir, Gold, Scary Blue, and Chili Red, with additional bespoke options from Audi exclusive. The RS Q8 features gloss black exterior trim, while the RS Q8 Performance adds matte gray accents to the mirrors, front spoiler, and rear diffuser, with the rest finished in gloss black. An extra design package offers carbon matte or gloss black finishes for select components. Both models come with 22-inch alloy wheels and 295/40 tires. Optional 23-inch wheels in a striking 6Y spoke design come in several finishes, including black metallic, matte neodymium gold, and silk matte gray. The RS Q8 Performance can be equipped with forged 23-inch wheels, reducing unsprung weight by around 20 kilograms, improving throttle response and handling. High-performance Pirelli P0 295/35 are 23 tires further enhance grip in all conditions. RS's design packages for a unique cabin. 3 RS interior design packages are available in red, gray or blue, the latter exclusive to RS Q8 Performance. Stitching on the console, mats, steering wheel, and seatbelts maches the selected color theme. Blue seatbelts and Alcantara steering wheel are distinctive highlights of the blue package. Shift lever and center console trim are made from Dinamica microfibers, produced from recycled PET fibers. The sport seats feature perforated honeycomb stitching. Also in contrast colors, interior trim options include brushed aluminum, matte carbon twill, gray oak, or exclusive black brushed aluminum only on RS Q8 Performance. Optional RS Design Plus packages add features like Dinamica, microfiber on door panels, and armrests. A unique seat insert in gray, red, or blue is visible through the seat perforation, with embossed RS logos in matching colors. The RS Q8 Performance also includes a RS Performance puddle lights and a 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus with a motorsport style shift indicator. E-Manual Hoji, the RPM bar changes from green to yellow and red, flashing at the optimal shift point. Launch control is also displayed, helping you unleash maximum acceleration potential. RS Q8 Performance Nürburgring record holder. At its market debut, the RS Q8 Performance became the fastest SUV ever on the Nürburgring Nord. Driver and developer Frank Stifler completed the 20.832 km circuit in 7 minutes, 36 seconds, and 698 milliseconds, over 2 seconds faster than the previous class record holder and nearly 6 seconds quicker than the previous RS Q8. This achievement was made possible by the increased power output, as well as top-tier chassis components like adaptive air suspension, EAWs, Quattro Sport differential, and all-wheel steering. This record-breaking lap is a result of the perfect synergy between the V8 engine and the RS-specific suspension system, as well as the Audi sports team's commitment to ultimate performance, all while retaining daily usability, says Rolf Mitchell. Order from June 27, 2024. Prices from €141,900 pre-orders begin on June 27, 2024, with base pricing as follows. RS Q8 from 141,900 RS Q8 Performance from €155,700.